Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Ryan with Allison Audiology here in Houston, Texas. Today I'm going to tell you and show you how to pair your hearing aids and the TV to an Oticon TV streamer. The first thing you'll want to do is plug it in the power cord to the back of the TV streamer and then to the wall. The light should light up, giving you indication that it is powered up. Next, we're going to show you how to plug it into the back of the TV. So you're going to want to look for the optical out. The optical out will say optical out, and the connection only goes in one way. So once you push it in, it should snap. So we have the optical out plugged into the back of the TV, and you'll know when it's plugged in properly because you can see a laser coming out of the optical cable. And you'll want to plug it into the in part of the TV streamer. So it just plugs in and again snaps in. It'll light up showing you that power is on, TV's connected. Now we're going to hook up your hearing aids. Now that we've had the TV plugged into the back of the TV streamer, I'm going to show you how to pair the hearing aids to the TV streamer. If you have batteries, you'll just open the battery door and close it. Don't forget, on the back of the TV, you're going to want to push this red button called Setup. And all you have to do is hold the hearing aids close to the TV streamer for about 10 to 15 seconds, and they should be paired up and ready to go. If you have rechargeable hearing aids that don't have batteries, you can either hold the button on the back of the hearing aid, the bottom button, for about 5 to 8 seconds and let go to turn them off, and then again hold it for about 5 to 8 seconds to turn it back on. Otherwise, just put your hearing aids in the charger and take them out of the charger, and then rest the hearing aids close to the TV, and again push that red button if you haven't already. And that's how you pair it up. But before you can watch the TV, you're going to want to use the Oticon On app and switch it from P1 to the TV streamer. Otherwise, if your audiologist has programmed it, you can actually activate it with the button and just hold it for about 3 seconds and let go, and that'll activate the TV streaming as well. I hope you enjoy.
Be sure to like and then subscribe to our page so that you're aware of the latest information that we've posted. We hope you find these resources helpful.